Holy Spirit, come up for me now. We use scissors and butcher the back.
I wanted to do a wedding gown.
I'm happy you didn't do a wedding gown because it's nice. Yeah. So I love how your zip fits very clean. I love how you did the pleating on both sides. Everything here is clean. So I love the fitting of your dress. The umbrella yourself.
Wear this to a wedding. I can wear this to any brand event.
No, but your zip looks like it's going one-sided. And then I don't know why you guys lace and stop here. This is showing and this is showing. This is supposed to be neat. So this is not supposed to show here. You should always go inside. Let's see the front again. This is very beautiful.
I wanted to make something that is different.
Yeah.
The regular. So I went with fabric to make cuts, and then I came out with this. I had to dye the fabric first. It was quite.
Dye this fabric.
Yes, it's scuba. I dyed it.
Scuba.
Yeah.
So you dyed.
Yeah.
So you created this color mix. And I've not seen your dress. What if I don't see your dress and there's error? You cry a river. Not smiling. Are you not proud of yourself?
It's a vintage dress. According to Natasha illustration, a cape. So I decided not to do a cape. I go with this color. This is like 20 years.
What was the most stressful part of your making this?
Stressful.
So you were practicing on your project?
Yes.
That's very risky.
Yeah.
I also feel like the down, you don't have enough of volume for it to play. That's why you're having these foldings here.
I came as if you're beginner. If I went to a roadside tailor, I'll still be dealing with basic bodies.
It's not something that we have to sit you down to teach you. Something that you should know. You should not be comfortable with it. You should be worried about it. Each customer's clothes has to be 100% perfect. You should rate it over 100.
100.
That means
inspiration from Abbas. This is PFA. You don't just copy. You need to put in extra ingredients to show that you are a designer. So I had to come up with this idea. Working with this fabric suits me. Working with the fabric is very stressful. It doesn't store on the machine, so you have to put in extra. I will tell you guys what I did.
Line shouldn't have been here. Should have been by the side, but this is beautiful.
What I wanted was to present the Nigerian culture with our showcase. So that
Came as a beginner.
Yes, of course. I'm from Congo.
So how did you pick something very complicated?
I wanted to challenge myself.
How you challenge yourself? Even me, I challenge you.
Gold and white. I'm from Sierra Leone, so my look is inspired from the Egyptian queen.
This is nice. She also made this. I want to be your first customer, so I'm buying this. We're doing this. So did you have to mark where you were sewing, or you were just randomly sewing on it?
Bone, inspiral bone. Get the line.
I like how the gloves fit. Is it double fabric?
Let's get it. I chose something high up, something flashy to remind myself that I am beautiful, that I don't need others to compliment me first before I know.
I want to understand this fabric because I don't think I've seen this material.
It's ankara here, but we call it lapa in Liberia.
Okay, it's a Liberian fabric.
This outfit, thinking about crafts and nature because I love aesthetic things. To me, I don't sell my art because this represents me. I personally do it for myself.
Okay.
If anybody wants it, I will recreate, but what your expression will be like for you. This dress deserves a hug.